Hi students, welcome to TSAT channel. Here let us continue. Here I am Ravindra, physics lecturer, senior physics lecturer, 30 years experience. Here last episode to continue here physics, fourth episode. Okay, in the last 3 episodes we are discussed the first year topics. Today's session we will discuss here second year topics. Okay children, and here 2 sound waves of length 5 meter and 6 meter from 3 beats in 3 seconds. The velocity of the sound is, here you know that what is the beats? Tell me children, what is the beats? Here beats frequency n beats is equals to the here n1 minus n2, n1 minus n2. The difference of the beats frequency is equals to the difference frequencies. Okay, therefore here the sound waves of wavelength 5 meter and 6 meter is there. Therefore n1 you can write that v by lambda 1 minus v by lambda 2 is equal to beats frequency. How much is given here? That is here 10 is given. Here the sound waves of here 2 sound waves of wavelengths 5 meter and 6 meter form 3 beats. Here you take that, just to change children, that is 30 beats. That is in the question 30 beats, that is the 30 beats. Here therefore here n1 minus n2 is equal to 30. Therefore v by lambda 1 minus v by lambda 2 is equal to 30. Okay, you substitute the value. Here what happened? What is the values? Here v by here 5, v by 5 minus v by 6, v by 6, here v by 6, this is equals to the, what is that here, 30, suppose this is the 30. What happened here? This value here 6v minus 5v by here 5 into 6, 30. Okay, suppose here the beats values are given. Suppose the beats value, that is just changes, that is here what is the values? 2 sound waves of wavelength 5 meter and 6 meter from 30 beats. Suppose we take that 30 beats, no problem about it. What happened here? 6v minus 5v 1 by 30, 1 by 30 is equal to here 1v by v by 30 is equal to 30. Okay, therefore what is the value? Cross multiplication, v is equal to 30 into 30. How much here? 900. Okay, you take that the answer, correct answer is here 900. Okay, and 900, what is the units? Meter per second, meter per second. And next the frequency of sinusoidal wave y is equal to 0.40 cos 200t plus 0.80 would be. Okay, here what is that? What we want to find out that frequency. You know that 200 omega t, omega is equal to 200 is there. Omega is equal to 200. Therefore, what is the omega? 2 pi n. 2 pi n is equal to 200. Therefore, n is equal to 200 by 2 pi. 200 by 2 pi. This is the answer. If you want to substitute that, 200 by 2 pi, 2 into pi, pi is equal to what here? 22 by 7. That is 200 into 7, 200 into 7 by, what is that? 44. Okay, that's H. Okay, next question. The temperature at which the speed of sound become double as well here, that is 27 degrees. 27 degrees, children. This is 27 degrees centigrade. 27 degrees centigrade. Here you know that the formula V proportional to root T. V proportional to root T. That means V1 by V2 is equal to root T1 by T2. V1 by V2 is equal to root T1 by T2. Here you take that V1 is equal to, you take that V by here, that is V2 is a double. What is that? 2V. Okay, this is equals to the root T1. Here 1 is here. Next T1 value you can take. What is the T1 value? 27 degrees is given. 27 means 27 plus, you convert degree centigrade, you convert the here T, absolute temperature, Kelvin temperature, that means 273 you can add by here root T2. Okay, therefore here V by 2V that get cancelled, that is 1 by 2 is equal to root 300 by what? V2, what? T2. Okay, here root 300 by root T2. Okay, children, you square it. Here 1 by 4 is equal to 300 by T2. Therefore, T2 is equals to the what? 4 into 300. 4 into 300. Okay, children, 4 into 300, that is 1200. Okay, answer is 1200. Here the waves of wavelength 50 centimeter and 51 centimeter produced 12 beats per second. Here the velocity of the sound is okay. Here you see in this question, what is that? Beats, already you know that the formula. What is the beats? Beats is equal to N1 minus N2. N1 minus N2. Okay, here the formula given in this formula, N1 minus N2 is equal to how much? Here N1 minus N2 is equal to 12. N1 minus N2 is equal to 12. That means what is the N1? V by 50 minus V by 51 is equal to 12. Okay. Therefore, what is the value? See that 51V minus 50V by 51 into 50 is equal to, what is that is equal to? Here 12. 51V minus 50, how much children? 1. 1V by 51 into 50 is equal to 12. Therefore, V is equal to 51 into 50 into 12. Okay. Here you calculate how much? This value 306.30600. Here that value is centimeter per second. But here we want the value here meter per second, means if suppose the value V is equal to 30600 centimeter per second is there, children. Okay. Here you convert to meter per second, that is 3600. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. Therefore, 3600 is there, na? Therefore, this value 306 meter per second. That is the answer. Okay. Next question. A simple microscope has a focal length of 5 centimeter. The magnification at the least distance of distinct vision. Here you know that the formula, simple microscope formula, here M is equal to 1 plus D by F. This is the formula. M is equal to 1 plus D by F. You know that this is equals to the 1 plus D. Here least distance of distinct vision, that value is 25 centimeter, children. 25 by focal length how much? 5. Okay. Therefore, 1 plus 5, 5 Therefore, 1 plus 5 how much? 6. Okay. Therefore, here magnification M is equal to 6. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Okay. Next, optical fiber are based on total internal reflection, less scattering, refraction, less absorption coefficient. You know that, children, optical fiber is based on the total internal reflection. Total internal reflection, TIR. Okay. Therefore, option, what is the total internal reflection? Here light rays are traveling from denser media to the rarer media. If the incidental angle value is greater than the critical angle, light rays are internal reflects. Light rays are internal reflects. Okay. That is here. Therefore, option is what? First option. First option is correct. Therefore, answer here, that is first option. First option. Okay. And next, two thin lenses of focal length. Two thin lens of focal length F1 and F2 are in contact coaxial, and what is the power of combination is? Formula you know that, children, 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Okay, this is equals to the what? Here cross multiplication F2 plus F1 by F1 into F2, F1 into F2, that is 1 by F. Here this 1 by F is equals to the power of lengths, that is a P. Therefore P is equal to F1 plus F2 by F1 F2. Here which formula is there? F1 plus F2 by F1 F2. Okay, that is second option is correct. Okay children, and next, rainbow is formed due to number 1 scattering and refraction, second one is internal reflection and dispersion, reflection only, here diffraction of dispersion. Here second option is correct children. What is that? Here the second option, internal reflection and dispersion. Okay, rainbow based on this principle. And next, the refractive index of water is 1.33. What will be the speed of light in water? What will be the speed of light in water? Okay, here the formula is, you know that. What is the formula? Mu is equal to C by V. This is the formula children, mu is equal to C by V, or mu V is equal to C. Mu V is equal to C. Okay, or we want to find out the V value. V is equal to C by mu. Okay, here you know that. What is the C value? What is the velocity of the light? 3 into 10 to the power 8 by, here the refractive index value is 1.33. 1.33. That is children, here 3 into 10 to the power 8 by mu value 1.33. 1.33. You calculate this one, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8. Here this value, here 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Here the fourth option is correct. Okay, and next here the ratio of intensities of two waves are given by 4:1. The ratios of the amplitude of the two waves is, here you know that the intensity is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. That means I1 by I2 is equal to what we can write children? Here A1 square by A2 square. Okay, here the ratio of amplitude of two waves is asking that, here you can also write that A1 by A2 here whole square. Okay, A1 by A2 whole square. Therefore we can also write that A1 by A2 is equals to the what? Under root of I1 by I2. I1 by I2. Therefore here intensity ratio is what here? What is the value children? I1 by I2 is equal to what? 4:1. That is 4 by 1. Therefore 4 by 1. Root 4 is equal to how much? 2. Okay, 2 by 1. Therefore answer is what children? 2:1. Here our option is 2:1. Okay, are you clear? I expect to hope that you are clear. The intensity is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. Okay, next question. Here the condition for obtaining maxima in different pattern due to a single slit. Okay, here that is a single slit. You know that the formula diffraction. Here the condition for different, here the formula is A sin theta is equal to 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Here you see children, the first option, here 1, just correction, this is a minus, here this is a formula children. Okay, here small correction, this is the answer, here that is a negative. The condition for obtaining a maxima in different pattern due to a single slit. Okay, A sin theta is equal to 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. And next, colors appear on a thin soap film and soap bubbles due to the phenomena. What is this phenomena? Here interference children. Interference. What is the interference? Here two coherent sources, light rays are traveling from one place to the another place, superimposes. On the screen you observe that bright and dark images are called interference. Okay, therefore here due to color appears on a thin soap film and on soap bubbles due to the phenomena. Here what is that? Here the first option, that is first option, that is interference. Okay, and next, the electric intensity in air at, here the electric intensity in air at a point 20 centimeter from a point charge q coulomb is 4.5 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. The magnitude of q is, you know that children, here the formula is equals to the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square is the formula. Okay, and here according to this equation you find out the what q value. Therefore what is the q value? Electric intensity of air point 20 centimeter. Here the question, the r is equal to 20 centimeter is given. 20 centimeter. What is that here? 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. Here minus 2 meter. Okay, here that is what here, and E value is given. How much the E value? E value children how much? 4.5 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, then already you know that, here substitute the value, here 4.5 into 10 to the power 5, okay, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value. You know that. What is the value children? 9 into 10 to the power 9, okay, into q by r square. Here r value how much here? That is 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 means 2 into 10 to the power 1 minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 2, 10 to the power minus 1. 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. This value. Substitute here. 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. Here the formula whole square is there. Whole square. Okay. Now you calculate. Here therefore, shall I write up? Q is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power 5 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 whole square means what? 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 by here the value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. 9 into 10 to the power 9. You calculate this value here. This is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Minus 6 coulomb. That is what here? This is 2 microcoulomb. 2 microcoulomb. This answer, what is that here? The fourth answer, 2 microcoulomb is the correct answer. Okay, children. When air is replaced by a dielectric medium, when air is replaced by a dielectric medium of constant K, the maximum force of attraction between two charges separated by a distance here, separated by a distance, maximum force decreases K times. Here K times decreases K times. Here see children, when air is replaced by a dielectric medium of constant K, the maximum force of attraction between two charges separated by a distance here decreases K times is the answer. And here a charge Q is placed corner of a cube. Here see that a charge Q is placed at the corner of a cube. The electric flux through all the 6 faces of the cube is, here that answer is Q by 8 epsilon naught. Here the answer is Q by 8 epsilon naught. Okay, that is the answer. And next here a bullet of mass 2 gram is having a charge of 2 microcoulomb. Through potential difference must it be accelerated. Here starting from rest, here rest to acquire a speed of 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. Here in this regardingly you observe that, you know that the formula potential energy. Potential energy is equal to what children? QV. Okay, and QV, potential energy QV is equals to the what? Here changes of the kinetic energy. What is that here? Changes of the kinetic energy, that is delta Ke. Okay, and here 2 into what is the V value? Here potential, a bullet of mass 2 gram is having a charge of 2 microcoulomb. Okay, charge value is given into V. 2 into V is equal to changes of the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy what? You know that of mv square. Of mv square. That is 1 by 2 m. Mass value how much children? 2 gram is there. 2 into gram you convert kilogram. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. And here speed is given v square, 10 square. Okay, here then you find out the v value. Okay, here the v value is there, then you take that v is equal to here this 2 get cancelled, therefore that is 1 by 2 into 10 to the power 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, that is 1 by this simplification here 1 by 2 means what here? 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 1. Okay. Therefore, here that is what is the value? Here 0.5 to minus 1 is there, that is that value is 5. Okay. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Okay children, let us see next episode.